Hi, my name is Dean and you are watching Netscape TV, and in this episode I'm gonna do the Kings Plus 270 awning review for you. I have to mention that this episode it is not sponsored by anyone. I paid for the awning, so I'm gonna give you an honest review what I think about this awning. I have owned this about a year now, so I have used it fair bit. I'm personally very satisfied with the performance, but there are the things I don't like about it. For example, this part of the awning is about 20 centimeters tall, and this part is 10, and that part I'm not sure, which I will put the measurement on the screen. However, this 20 centimeter, when you add it to the lifted car like mine with the big tires, then you have the another 10-15 centimeter with the roof rack being raised on top of the car, so makes it about 230-240 tall. That means your car is no longer daily driver, so you cannot take this to the shopping center and go on the the undercover car park, because you're going to take off all the sprinklers or you're going to get stuck under there. So this is the biggest problem I have with this, is the how big and how bulky it is. I wish they could do it basically on the half of that, so it would be 10 by 10. That would be absolutely perfect, because then I could fit it somewhere here upside down and would have just make it very nice and smooth. This is the only thing I really don't like about this awning. However, let me tell you more about other things. So this comes with the double zipper, or it's one zipper with a double handle. Okay, when is the cold, or at the beginning when you buy it, is going to be very hard to close. Okay, but when we want to, like today again, it is cold, so it's not such a great weather today either, but that was the whole point of doing this video. I was hoping actually it's gonna rain so you can see this. Now we are opening it, so when we do that, we'll make that go away, and we want this part to go here. As you can see, it comes with these straps, okay, which will undo. That's it. Okay, that brings us to here. Now 1, 2, and that's it. Now that's all you got to do to open it up. It's gonna keep going. You bring it all the way here, and when you get here, you have this strap here, and what happened is we are gonna go around the loop and basically put it around our own strap, okay, and then you can pull this and adjust it here, adjust the tension. Okay, as you can see, with my height is very good where it's standing, so I'm about 186 centimeter. I guess he's about 6 foot tall, and my head doesn't hit it. It's very steady, it's very strong. I cannot believe actually how strong it is. However, one thing please keep in mind, when you align this, I did a mistake. I should have actually mounted it maybe 5-10 centimeter more forward, because when I set up to have cooking or something, and when it's raining, sun is not the issue, I get the rain drop inside. So I should have actually mounted it more forward to make sure it covers here. Other than that, is really good. How strong it is, I did use this in Ocean Road, so wind it did pick up, and we are talking about maybe 25-30 kilometers per hour, and was just shaking to the point that I thought it's going to become like a sailing boat and it's going to tip the Prado over. And I had two concerns. One, it might actually, the frame bends and brakes start ripping, then that is going to be issue to pack it up, because I can't dump this on the side of the road, obviously, or in the nature. And the second part actually did really get me concerned was that the way was shaking a Prado was almost lifting it up. So I was worried that it's going to actually become like a sailing boat and tip my car over. Having said that, we can even try, see, it is strong enough. We heard the tick, but that is actually come from the back. It is actually very strong, I have to say. I love it. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Another thing I don't like about this is when you want to do the pack up, which you will see, most likely I have to fast forward the video to do that, because the reason for that is when you pack it up, it's gonna go in, but as always, when you buy something from China, they come in a box and you can put it back in a box. That's a similar situation. So you try to put it back in, and especially this part is gonna be an issue to actually close the zipper. And now I'm gonna show you how that works, okay? Let's get doing it. Here, as always, you basically can do it two ways. One is you can release the tension by pressing this button there, and then you can undo this strap. All right, bring it down, and then we just basically we bring it here all the way, and as you can see, it sort of lines up there. Okay, so there you go, that's it, it's done. What I'd like to add is I have used it in the rain, absolutely fantastic, no leakage, it worked very well. I have used it in the sun many times, and that was great as well, perfect coverage. It does come with the walls as well, so you can use it sort of like tinting on the side of the car. Other than that, I don't know what to tell you. It's really good, it's very strong, and absolutely I love it. I have to say, I highly recommend it. And if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate it that you do show your expression and like my video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell button. Until next time, take care of yourself and loved one. Bye.